You got the whole damn media all worked up. Making her out to be a...
I have to go and listen. Listen to me, Emily. Very carefully listen to me. Because your life literally depends on it. You've abducted the special agent in charge of the Boston field office.
Just wait up, he abducted you.
No, he's the dirty agent, no question. But the way they can kill Harlow, it doesn't add up. Think about it.
Just get my passions. After I do to him, I better what he did to me.
Do you want a plan to see you shot dead by someone on TV? Is that what you want?
I just want this to end.
Enough. Emily. Turn around. Come back. Please, I'm begging you, this is not the way. Very carefully listen, because your life literally depends on it. You've abducted the special agent in charge of the Boston field office.
Just wait up,
No, it's dirty agent, no question. But you had to kill Harlow. It doesn't matter. Think about it. It's getting passes. After I do it, because your life literally depends on it. You've abducted the special agent in charge of the Boston field office.
just wait up. Just wait. Just wait.
Adam missed a dinner appointment with the deputy director. No phone call, no email apology, nothing. Very unlike him. So I tried tracking him down, came up empty. That's when I called in Detective Gibbs.
We determined Bradford went to the driving range this evening, but his car wasn't in the lot. Here's why. That's Emily Bird. She tampered with a couple of the lights. She was picked up by a traffic cam on I-93, driving the junk road park next to Bradford's car. By the time security realized the lights were out, she was out of there. In Bradford.
We have zero leads on where they might be headed. We need to generate some and fast. Exhaust every avenue you have.
I was in a quarantine. Until she screwed me over.
This is where I was at
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 84, what color?
They took them off, didn't you? You said now.
3,
You're going to admit to what you did.
one more, 12.
You're getting out of here.
What do you think I did to you?
Why did you do it, Adam? Why did you take me? I need to know.
Emily, I wasn't there.
Why did you let me go? Are you framing me? Is this some kind of a sick game?
You're the sick one. You're delusional.
You're not thinking straight.
This card, and Loki is Loki real cute. I like that. This makes orange. This one alone.
Just like Just like
Green on the sides. Green on this side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Daddy, 5. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What number is this? I'm calling from the burner for 10 my life.
12.
What? Never mind. I didn't know where it was. She called me. She said she had to run first. Any reason you're not sharing this with your own people?
Huh?
What situation? Yeah.
Yeah.
I need your help.
Yeah. It do sound good. She got some good songs. I missed.
We can leave anytime you want. Just answer any questions. What did you do?
Make sure nobody call me.
You did something to me. I know. It changed me.
To get back to the sun.
You know how to promise. I admit it.
Oh, you were my partner.
Yellow.
Oh yeah.
You cooked up a witness against me.
I got her cheated a lie. I made her call the cops. I said you were several. I didn't know what you were about or what you did.
The whole time that I was working the center off case, you kept it one step ahead.
We're jail on it tomorrow.
Why did you kill him? Was it because he was going to cut you out?
I didn't kill Silver.
You killed him and then you put my DNA on him.
I swear.
Then who